Welcome back to this YouTube channel and my eBay sellers account, GB Hatchery. Today I wanted to talk just a little bit about my Rii I8. This is a really nice wireless keyboard for the couch, for the PC. I think you might be able to use it possibly for just about any PC actually. The Rii Mini I8. And I've been using this for a while and it's been really nice. The trackpad is not real accurate. But one of the things is the charge port went through because you leave it charged and you can't use it. That's one of the things. Even if that charge port was still working, this video is still valid for any Rii i8. The thing about it is when the battery goes dead, you have to put it on charge, and a lot of times you have a small cord and it's just really inconvenient. So what I've done now is I've actually ordered a battery charger. If you look at this, universal battery charger. Now these are used with Nokia phones, but this charger, I guess this is now an official unboxing of this charger, multi-connector USB battery charger, and it comes with the exact same battery. Look at that. And these are like between $8 and $12. I bought this on eBay. It took a while to show up. But how convenient is that? Here's the battery. It says Nokia on it. It's a BL5C. And this is a BL5C. So now what this is going to allow me to do is just switch the batteries out. When this battery dies now, I get up, I walk over to my battery charger, I pull out a fresh battery, I install it. It's a simple concept, I'm sure you can follow. But if you have a Rii i8, you know how important this is, this new capability, to go ahead and just swap batteries. This is kind of what plagues the Xbox controllers and the PlayStation controllers, the differences in being able to swap batteries or have an internal battery. This is the best of both worlds. It has an internal battery. We don't use AA's here. But we also have the charging function to where you just quickly swap and you're right back where you started with a freshly charged Rii i8. So what prompted me to do this is, yes, this charge port got pushed through, and it's probably because I had it charging and sat down or something, and it's not always in my sight, it's not always in my use, so I can't tell you exactly how that happened. But now the simple fix actually would be good for any Rii i8, even one that's not damaged. I recommend this. It's technically for Nokia, but you can look it up with the BL5C battery. Just to double check. That's it. BL5C battery and charger. And now we have this new capability. So that is so neat. I had to share it on the internet. Thanks for watching the video. I hope this helps you with your Rii i8 and your batteries in the future. Always remember you can shop at my eBay store, GB Hatchery. I sell a lot of used items there. Clothing, shoes, sporting goods, skates, all kinds of different items. I'll leave a link in the description. Other than that, I hope you're safe and healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.